Hi, welcome back to the set 20 of the series dbms 1. So let's get started with the question set. Question 1. What is the highest mark obtained in singular literature in all term examinations of all the students of class 11B? So here we have used max function to get the highest number from from mark column. So here, as usual, we have used three inner joins to combine these three tables together with a condition. So let's execute and see the result. So the highest mark comes as 99 out of 100. So the second question, what is the highest mark and the subject of which Sajitra Wickramasinghe's first term subjects in all subjects? Here we have to display the highest mark as well as the name of the subject. So here, as you can see, we have used three inner joins along with one subquery. So as you know, you might know that subqueries are used to combine two search queries. So let's see the result now. So here you can see the highest mark along with the subject name. So the third question says find the name and the mark of the subjects who scored between 70 and 90 marks in the mathematics subject in the first term examination. So here we have to display the name as well as the mark of the student. So we have used the between function to get the numbers between 70 and 90. And have used three inner joins to combine the tables together. Now let's see the result. So this is the first name, last name, and the mark corresponding to the full name. The fourth question, find the subject and the mark with the highest marks obtained by Amanda Moses in the first term examination. So here, as you can see, I have used three inner joins along with one subquery. Now let's execute and see the result. So here you can see the subject name along with the mark corresponding to the name. So here we have used the max function, max or the maximum function, to get the highest number. So the last question, Madara Vanasekara, find the highest marks in mathematics and science and Sinhala language and literature in the second term examination. So here I have used three inner joins along with one subquery. Here I have used maximum function to give the highest mark, and let's see the result. So the maximum and the highest number is up to 85. So that's it for the set 28. See you soon from 29.